this video, I will guide you on how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Connecting your Instagram account to Facebook allows you to access professional tools and increase your audience reach. It also enables seamless cross-posting so you can publish your content on both platforms at the same time, which saves time and effort. So without further delay, let's get started. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the three-line icon and go to Accounts Center. After that, tap on Manage Accounts. Here you will see your Instagram profile. Now let's add your Facebook account. Tap on Add New Account, then tap on Add Facebook Account. If you are using the same email for both Facebook and Instagram, Instagram may automatically detect your Facebook account and give you the option to link it. If you want to connect that account, simply tap on Continue. But if you want to connect a different Facebook account, tap on Not You, and then follow the step-by-step process to log into another Facebook account. After that, tap on Continue. To finish adding your account, tap on Allow and finish adding. Once done, your Instagram and Facebook accounts will be linked successfully. So that's how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. If this video helped you link your Facebook account with Instagram, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.